Welcome back to my channel. So here's the new video for you all, and this video is long due. I told you I'm going to show you all my different canvases and paintings, so I'm going to show you today. But before, please do click the bell icon so that you'll get on updates from my channel. So the first thing I'll do is I'll show you some abstracts and some paintings that I did on a paper. So this one I did on A3 sheet. This is a A3 sheet, and you can see all those zentangle-patterns that I did in silhouette painting it is. And this one I made a video before. This is I have done this with some oil crayons, oil pastels, as you can say. And this one again, this is a kind of abstract, you can say, with zentangle-patterns and all these different dots and everything. So this is a geometric abstract, and I love this kind of paintings a lot, and because there's a lot of color contrast, this is what I like in a painting. So this is very easy, even anybody can do this. This is something I do when I'm bored, so this is the great time passing painting. And again, one more. So some of them I just made while watching a TV, and this one I already made a video about, I guess. And this one again, these are real simple paintings, but trust me, if you'll try these and put it on a white picture frame, this will look real great. So this one I am not finished yet. And again, this is a pixel art. So these were the few things that I did like past 2 months. And this one is real beautiful painting that I did of a huge zentangle. I think I made a video about it. I'm not sure about it, I posted it or not, but it's real great. You can try this on an A3 sheet or even a chart or a huge paper, and then frame this and it will look real good. So the next thing I'll show you guys is here my acrylic pad papers. These are acrylic. This is acrylic book. So acrylic paintings, all these are acrylic paintings. So these are a few things that I was doing before making it on a canvas. I was trying few things on the paper, so these are all tryouts. But this one I like the most, and this is not color. This is not acrylic color. This is Vincent and Newton Pro markers, which I love the most, and they look great altogether. So I'm trying to these are all my tryouts before making my canvases. So these are few things that I did. So this is what I like to do in my free time when my baby is sleeping. So this is all I can do. So it's still empty. I'm still going on to it. So this is the canvas painting. So this is a round canvas. This is 50 centimeter wide, and it took me like a lot of time to finish this one, because it's circle and you need to be very precise on all the angles and everything. So this is a tryout of mine for this is not so great, but they look real nice on this wall when they are all together. So this one is my splatter painting. So first I did this black and real dark red color on back, and then splatter some white colors on top of it. This is again abstract. As you can see, I have painted the edges as well, which looks real good. So I think this is something that you should do. And again, this one is something zentangle or like ethnic painting, but I have, as you can see, I'm just trying to show it as a cloth, and like I have stitched different cloths all together with different patterns. So this is what I was going to do with this painting. I don't know how it look now, so you guys tell me down if you liked it or not. So this one again abstract. I'm just playing with colors and different patterns here. I just love this because there's a lot of colors and contrast in this painting. So this one is again abstract. This is called as a negative painting. First I inside I just added a lot of color, and afterwards I covered most of the part with the yellow color. And again, an abstract, I'm not finished with it yet, but I hope it will look nice in the end. I'm still making this one. So the next one is this, my beautiful piece that I love the most. There's a lot of contrast in this. This is my best abstract till now, I think. I'll show you all of them here, as you can see. So this one is my favorite one, and this one is a huge painting. That is huge painting, and even that the lady one, the modern art one, is real big, and all others are like 30 by 40 centimeter big canvases, all of them. These are 30 by 40 centimeter, I guess, and this is 110 by, I forgot, but this is big canvas. And as you can see, this is big canvas. I'm still painting little minute details in it, and this is, I guess, 40 by 60 centimeter of huge canvas, and others, most of them are 40 by 40, no 40 by 40, I guess, I forgot, sorry, 30 by 40, yes. So please do like, give me a huge like if you like any of them. Just do tell me down below which one did you like the most, and if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comments below about my paintings or anything else. And do share my video with your friends, and do come back, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And next time I'll come up with a new video. Okay guys, till then, bye bye, take care.